Today, I'm going to show you how to look good in just 5 minutes. This is my go-to makeup when I am in a hurry and I want to look fresh and put together. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey if you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again today. So I don't have a lot of time. I have to get ready really fast this morning. So I thought I would show you guys my 5-minute makeup. I've already moisturized my skin. Skin is ready to go. Next, I'm going to moisturize my lips. I love this stuff. It is so freaking good. I have been looking for a really good moisturizer for my lips. With this cold weather, my lips have been so chapped and dry. And this Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment has literally been saving my lips. I'm gonna go wet my I can't talk today. I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender. I'll be right back. I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm not going to be using foundation today. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. Because I'm not going in with foundation, I'm kind of covering my face with concealer. And I'm just gonna blend this in. I'm gonna get full coverage with this. Everything will be evened out. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Now, this video is going to be longer than 5 minutes because I'm talking, but this takes me literally 5 minutes to do. So, depending on the coverage of the concealer that you use, you may need to go back in with more to spot conceal. That concealer is pretty full coverage, so I don't have to do much. There's just this one little spot that was bothering me. Whatever's left, I'm going to just dab over my lids to cover that discoloration. If you have brow hairs and you like the shape of your brows, just go in with a brow gel. Now, if you don't have a lot of hair and you have to fill your brows in, I recommend going in with a pencil or a powder. Because I have a decent amount of hair already, I'm just going to define what I have. I'm going to take the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel. I love this stuff. It reminds me of the Benefit 24 Brow Setter as far as like the hold goes. I forgot to turn off my fan, so the sound was probably trash right now. But, oh shit. Yeah. Usually my brows take me a long time if I sit and fill them in. But with this, I get the definition that I want really fast. You want to just use a really light hand. Okay, next I'm going to bring some color back into my face. I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola bronzer. No, Doja, she wants to hit my camera. No, honey. No, no, baby. And I'm just gonna bronze tour. No, no. You're being batty. No. My chin. And then my forehead. Then I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush with Hoola bronzer. And I'm not going to really contour my nose. I'm just going to like add it here. Because contouring my nose Takes a while, but I'm just gonna place this here. For my blush, I'm gonna take my Nars DeepThroat. It's very soft and natural. On my nose, just bring it around. For highlight, I'm gonna take the Lorac Celestial highlight. Ooh. So beautiful. I love this highlight. And then I like to take my beauty blender and just kind of go over that so it melts into the skin. Usually when I bring out my Hoola to bronze tour, I will also hit my eyes, but I forgot. And so I'll just warm up my eyelids with the Hoola bronzer. Put my lid up into my crease and just blend it out. And then I'll take a crease brush and add that to my lower lash line. Mercier Translucent setting powder. My little powder puff. I'm gonna do my forehead. And just press it. I like that it's angled because I can get right here between my brows. And I'm just gonna, I don't rub, I just like to press my chin. Down here. And then I'm gonna go just under my eyes. Brows and skin are done. For my eyes, I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in Corrupt. It's like a dark brown. And I'm just going to line my waterline. Then I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I've really been loving the YSL Lash Clash. And this is in the shade number 2, which is brown. I don't know if you can see. It's such a pretty color. And I'm just gonna go in with one coat. This mascara is so freaking good. Love it. And it doesn't smudge or transfer or anything. I'm gonna take this off. Oh, my lips feel amazing. I'm gonna take Mercier Camille lipstick. This is all that I have left. I'm gonna pick up another one because I've been obsessed with this stuff. Such a beautiful color. Now, if you want, you can add some bottom lash mascara, which I'm just gonna tap my bottom lashes. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This look is super easy. And again, if I wasn't talking, this would have been exactly 5 minutes because I've done this look so many times. This is my go-to when I'm really pressed for time, but I still want to do my makeup and feel good. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And because YouTube doesn't like to push videos out, YouTube is playing me, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next video. Peace.